and I have a lot of fun projects for you. They don't have to be outdoors, just have a lot of fun projects. Okay, go.
Howdy, I am David Carter, and this is not my apartment. I'm visiting family in California on the Carter's Tiny Homestead, and we got a lot of projects to work on. What can I make shopping at the Dollar Tree? As a vegetarian, it's quite tough to eat anywhere some of the time. And at the Dollar Tree, it's pretty cheap. So I'm thinking black beans are a great choice. What should I add to it? Frozen bell pepper stir fry. It's like fajitas. You have to cook it in a sauce. And then okay, here we go. So there's meatless veggie balls or a veggie patty. Okay, let's do it. Let's go for the veggie meatballs. Oh, guess what I spotted on the other side of the aisle? Wait, where did I see them? Here they are. So, we have pre-made taco shells. I like them crispy. This is kind of shaping up, isn't it? I'm thinking probably a taco packet. And there has to be something fresh. Yeah. There has to be something I can use. Oh, a can of fresh tomatoes? Oh, you know what? No. Yes. Salsa. I think that'll do it. Let's go cook. Alright, so we've got our ingredients for our delicious Dollar Tree meal. We're having veggie meatballs, black beans, tacos. Opener is it? Oh, look at that! Ooh, no sharp edges, and you can put the lid right back on. Bam! Oh, salsa. Diced tomatoes and green chilies. Delicious black beans. These are the veggie balls. They're supposed to be kept frozen until you're ready to cook. So I did. But look how they look. They look kind of, I don't know, reeky dank. I love veggie patties, generally. Black bean patties, spicy black bean patties are my favorite. These veggie balls though, I've had them before. I'm gonna brown them a little further and then sprinkle the taco sauce or taco seasoning mix on them. And then warm up the beans, and I'm gonna layer it, and you'll see how. I almost forgot about my stir-fry bell pepper onion mixture. It's kind of my favorite part. I love bell peppers and onions. These are frozen. They do the job. They're really good for actually making beans in the pot. Like if you take dry beans, you soak them overnight, you put them in the crock pot, and then you have these in there with salt and pepper. So, I'm gonna saute these with the black beans. Alright, let's add a little oil. I guess turn the heat on too. I only want to throw a couple onions in here with the meat. Actually, maybe I'll do the meatballs together with the onions instead of the beans. The bell peppers. And the meatballs. The veggie meatballs. I'm gonna cut these meatballs in halves so that way I can put them into the taco shell better. Easier. Just cutting them in half. They're pre-cooked. They just need to be warmed up and sauteed and crisped up a little bit. So I am gonna do a small salad on the side. It's gonna be spinach, tomato, and my cucumber. Just to, get a little freshness to the whole deal. So now I'm gonna drain the beans. We don't want all that sauce. No. I've already drained the beans. I'm gonna put these black beans. I'm gonna sprinkle on the taco sauce. Oh, I guess I should show you. It's a visual medium. Sprinkle in that taco sauce. It's gonna be so good. That's gonna warm. You want that to warm up. I don't have the flame on very high, so I'm pretty low. Just to get the beans nice and heated up. Oops, I'm making a mess. I got it all mixed up. It's gonna be great. Pull out a cookie sheet. We're gonna preheat the oven to 300 degrees. Take these tacos out of here. Get my tacos out of here! We're gonna put these in the oven for about, 2 or 3 minutes, just to get them warm. And by then, these delightful beans will be warm.